Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change website layout in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and log into your WordPress account by searching for wordpress.com and logging into your account. This is the interface you're going to see. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that quick links option, and below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option and it will take you to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, it is been loading. It may take a while. As you can see over here, my page has been opened over here, and we're just gonna go and select on this, and here you can see on the right hand side there is an option called styles. Click on the styles option, and here you can see an option called layout. Click on the layout option, and from here you can actually change the width and the height of your selected profile and everything. You can also add padding and everything. Make sure that you experiment well and set it to an eye pleasing option over here. After you are done with it, you can just simply click on save and save all of your changes. And that's how you can change the website layout in WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.